Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing something truly special, a selection of Michael Harding's artist quality oil paints. For those who may not be familiar, Michael Harding is one of the most renowned names in fine art materials. Since 1982, this brand has been handcrafting oil paints with exceptional pigment load, vibrancy, and consistency. Their paints are designed to give artists the richest colors possible while maintaining a buttery texture that glides effortlessly on the canvas. Now let me walk you through the stunning colors I have chosen for my palette today. First of all, the King's Blue Light number 211, a delicate cool blue that brings a sense of atmosphere and light. This color is great for painting skies, water, and subtle shadows. The other color is Prussian Blue number 112. This deep intense blue is perfect for dramatic skies, ocean depths, and mixing with reds to create moody purples. It's also a powerful mixture for creating darker tones. The third color is the permanent Sap Green number 217, a vibrant and rich green that is indispensable for landscapes, foliage, and deep shadowed greens. It's a versatile green that works beautifully with yellows and blues. Burnt Sienna number 125. This warm reddish-brown earth tone is ideal for adding depth, warmth, and natural tones to your artwork. It's perfect for mixing with blues for deep grays and blacks or with whites for warm neutrals. Ultramarine number 113. Ultramarine is a must-have for any artist's palette. Its rich, warm blue is fantastic for layering and mixing, and is a favorite for creating stunning purples and greens. And the last color is the yellow ochre number 119. This classic earthy yellow has been a staple for artists throughout history. It's perfect for creating warm undertones, skin tones, or mixing with other colors to achieve muted greens and soft neutrals. You know, one of the things I love about Michael Harding paints is their commitment to quality. These paints are loaded with pure pigments, free from unnecessary fillers or extenders. That means what you see on the tube is exactly what you will get on your palette. Bold, bright, and true-to-life colors that stand the test of time. I can't wait to dive into painting with these stunning colors. Let me know in the comments which of these shades you are most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see how I put these paints to use in my upcoming projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.